Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect ElevenLabs to Base44. In order to do this, first of all, get the ElevenLabs API key. So navigate to elevenlabs.io/developers site and you will see this page, that is ElevenLabs Developers. Here, you can supercharge your projects with the most powerful AI audio API. So basically sign up on this page by clicking on sign up if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, click on login and generate an API key on the next page from your ElevenLabs dashboard. After you do this, you'll have to access the Base44 API integration. So navigate to base44.com, log in using your user credentials. You'll be on this page where you'll have to click on integration option and search for ElevenLabs. Now choose ElevenLabs and you can easily click on this use this integration button. But as you can see, this integration requires backend functions, a feature available only on builder tier and above. So when you click on use this integration button, it will instantly take you to another page where you'll be easily able to add the API key that you just copied from ElevenLabs developer portal. And when you enter that API key on the next page, you would have successfully connected ElevenLabs with Base44. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.